Making sense of absolute value and statements of inequality. A recent television commercial asked viewers, do you have over $10,000 in credit card debt? What types of numbers are associated with the word debt and why? Write a number that represents the value from the television commercial. So the types of numbers associated with the word debt would be negative numbers, because when you have a debt, you owe money. So the number that represents the value from the television commercial would be negative 10,000. So give one example of over $10,000 in credit card debt, then write a rational number that represents your example. So if you owe over $10,000 in credit card debt, you could owe, let's say $12,562. You can owe $12,562. The rational number that represents my example is negative $12,562. If you notice, instead of writing the word O, I have the negative sign, and instead of having the dollar sign, I just have the number. The last question says, how do the debts compare, and how do the rational numbers that describe them compare, and explain? So I know that if I owe $12,562, that's more than $10,000. And I also know that negative 12,562 is less than negative 10,000.